I watch YouTube on ESP32, but how? Hello guys, today in this video, I will show you how to screen share with Arduino. What we see in this tutorial: Arduino code, Python script, Python plugin, and Python install. Let's begin. First, we start hardware. I use in this project ESP32S3 and ILI9341 Display. Let's continue with Arduino code. We used built-in library, also TFT, ESP, and JPEG decoder library from Boardmer. If you don't know how use and wiring display with ESP32, go check out this tutorial. I show how to set up library. All you need links are in description. We need to change a few things in Arduino code. Firstly, must be set U Wi-Fi parameter. Change your Wi-Fi site parameter and change your Wi-Fi password. This is important. Cause of this project working wirelessly. Scrolling page and see display orientation, select 1 or 3. Setting rotation landscape mode. Set your board configuration and click upload. When it's done, we seen on display ESP32 IP. This IP important, we gonna use in other script. Now we need to install Python. Go to link, download and install latest version of Python. After that, open VS Code. If you don't install before, again, link in description. Get it. Go to extensions, section search Python, and install extension. Let's see Python script. We need to change in only one thing. Find in this line and change your ESP32 IP address. Before running script, you must install a few library. Other, you can get error. Open terminal, write pip, install what you need. After run script, Python automatically capture screen and send image on Wi-Fi to ESP32. As you can see, project working correctly. This project focus on only screen sharing for now, but you can easily modify what you need, like a system information system. If that project get 50,000 views or more, I can release different version. If you like it, hit that subscribe button and like this video. See you in next project.